how to add another WhatsApp account. First, open your WhatsApp app. At the top right corner, tap on three dots, and then tap on settings. You can see plus icon at the top right side. Tap on it. Now tap on add account. Then tap on agree and continue. Here is the thing. Now enter the phone number you want to add. When you are done, tap on next. Check this number again and tap on yes. WhatsApp will send you a verification code. Enter the verification code. The new account will be added with your WhatsApp. And that's it. This is how you can add another WhatsApp account.